Este es el video de ejercicios del nivel 2, lección 8. Unir oraciones. And, but, so, para la palabra and. Cada frase se dirá 2 veces. Después de la segunda vez, tú la repites. I like coffee and I like tea. I like coffee and I like tea. She is tired and she is hungry. She is tired and she is hungry. He works in an office and he lives nearby. He works in an office and he lives nearby. We have a car and we have a bike. We have a car and we have a bike. It is cold today and it is raining. It is cold today and it is raining. I study English and I practice every day. I study English and I practice every day. Unir ideas. I like coffee and tea. I like coffee and tea. She is tired and hungry. She is tired and hungry. He works and lives nearby. He works and lives nearby. We have a car and a bike. We have a car and a bike. It is cold and rainy. It is cold and rainy. I study and practice every day. I study and practice every day. Muy bien, escucha otra vez. Repite hasta que puedas decir cada frase fácilmente en inglés.